Hello guys, this is me tapping on TAPSWAP, and it's not easy tapping with just your hand actually. Alright, it's stressful and it can be tiring. So I want to show you how you can be tapping automatically, which is what I do. Right, I tap with one software which makes it very fast and very easy to use. For example, look at this. How about you just set up something like this and you relax? Alright, you relax for it to tap for you. You're not using your hand. I've seen many people stop tapping because it's stressful for them. But if you can set up something like this, once it's done, you pause it. That's all. So you need to understand that this app is for Android users, right? It doesn't work for this app is not available for iOS users. It's just for Android users. So to set it up, if you don't have it already, you head to your Play Store and you search for auto clicker. Now there are different types of auto clickers here, but the one I'm using that is working well for me is this auto clicker hyphen automatic tap. Take note of the name. Auto clicker hyphen automatic tap is around 3 megabytes thereabout. So download it and open it. Alright, there are some settings you're going to do. It depends on what you want to use, the settings you want to use. You might decide to be using the single target mode or the multi-target mode. Whichever one you use is fine. It will tap well for you. But the most important part of it is the settings. Right. So let's assume you're using the single target mode. You click on the settings first and do these settings. This click interval, put 20 milliseconds. Select run indefinitely, and then the number of cycles you can put 50, and that's it. And then hold on, I don't want the ads to pop up. Sometimes it pops up ads. Oh, it still came out. No issue. So that's for the single target mode. Then the multi-target mode, let me show you the settings I'm using. The delay, I put 20 milliseconds, and then the swipe duration, I put 100 milliseconds. So just do the settings the same way I did mine. Alright, because it's working for me well, but you can adjust the settings. Then the click icons may be big for you. Alright, and I reduced mine here, down here. So let me disable it so that I can show you. Come down here, common settings. So reduce this toggle. You can see it should be around here for you. So reduce it to the last. This should be around minimum, to reduce it to the smallest part, so that you can have it and look like this or like this. So once you have done the settings, enable it so that it can appear like this, and you can see the tapping position here. You can move it anywhere you want to tap. Let me disable it. If you want to use this multi-target mode, okay, let me show you both. Right. Let's use the single target mode first. So you have to enable first. You enable it, then you minimize and go to where you want to tap. So let me head to my Telegram. Okay, let me refill my boost so that I can have it. Oh, let me exhaust this boost first. You can see. Hold on, I know you may be confused. I don't have my data on. So I've refilled my boost. So to start, you have to drag this pointer to anywhere, any part of the area you want to tap, right? So it could be anywhere. Then you come here and click play. You see this play button, click the play button and it will start tapping for you. Alright, you just keep your phone and be watching it. Once it's done tapping, you go there again and click stop, that stop icon, and that's it. It's done. So let me tap on stop, so it stops tapping. Alright, and if you want to use the multi-target mode, let's head back to the auto clicker app. I have to disable first. I have to disable here, disable, then I will enable this. Of course, always check the settings and be sure that you have the right settings, and you can play around the settings to get what you want, depending on what you want to achieve. So click on enable. So I want to use the multi-target mode so that you see how it works. So let me refill my boost again. Now you know what this filling of the tank means. I fill these parts up back so that I can start tapping afresh. So for this multi-target mode, you are going to click on this plus icon to add many tapping points. For example, this one, you can position it here, create another one, position here. So I create enough and position them around. Let me do that quickly. So you can see I've created up to like 11 or thereabout, 12, and I've positioned them in different places of the areas I'm supposed to be tapping. Then I'll click play and you see what will start happening. Okay, hold on, seems it's not working. What's going on? Okay, it was working, but my phone was hanging. Okay, now another thing you need to understand is that if your phone speed is slow, or how do I say it, if your phone capacity or your kind of phone is a small phone, maybe, yeah, let me put it that way, your phone may not be able to withstand this application because it will make your phone hang. Alright, so if you observe that this stuff is making your phone hang so much, you can just avoid using it. But for phones that are fast, it's supposed to do well. So if this multi-target mode is making your phone hang, like mine now is hanging at the moment, it doesn't hang usually, but I don't know why it's hanging now. So if the multi-target mode is making your phone hang, just stick to the single target mode and you just head back to the app, disable this and enable this one. Alright, just come play again. You can see it to continue tapping. So it's as easy as that. With this, is going to help you. You'll be able to tap you'll be able to tap other projects too, not just this TAPSWAP. For example, this WORMFARE is also a tapping project. If I'm using my hand now, you can see you just be tapping and you'll be earning. So you can leverage on this software too. Just play and it will be tapping for you. So any tapping project at all, this software can be very helpful. Alright, you can also see here, you can also use it for MEMEFI. But this MEMEFI, there's a strategy I use. Normally, if you just click play on this MEMEFI and allow it to be loading, it will hang at the moment, and everything you have earned so far will reset again. So what I do is I will play, allow it to click for like 2 seconds, I will stop it, allow it to assimilate and add up, I will continue again. So that's how I do gradually until I exhaust everything I have to claim. If you don't do that, if you just play and allow it to go at a stretch, it will just reset afterwards. So to avoid that, I usually play it at intervals, pause it, allow it to add, and I continue like that. Once you exhaust it, come to boosters, and of course you know what to do. Recharge and continue tapping. I can also use the turbo. So this app is very useful for any form of tapping. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys, for those that have not started using it. Tapping with your hand can be very frustrating, especially when you are tapping many projects. It's not easy. It's really not easy. So I believe this is of help to you guys, and let me know if this is of help to you in the comment section. Also, let me know if you are having any form of challenge setting this software up on your Android phone. If you have any challenge, send the challenge in the comment section, and I'm going to reply you. And if you need a faster reply, maybe I'm not available at the moment in the comment section, you can check in the description. There's a link to chat me up on WhatsApp, or on Telegram. Anyone that you're comfortable with, you can hit me up there. I'll be much available there to respond to your complaints. All right. Meanwhile, if you are new here, please subscribe to this channel. We'll post a lot of amazing stuff that will help you make money. All right. So subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and join us. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.